So we traveled to Manila for my mom's 80th birthday, and we stayed at the Sheraton Manila Bay at M Adriatico in Old Manila. And this is what the room looks like. So I'm just doing a very quick room tour for you guys. It is quite a dated hotel. It's probably one of the oldest Sheratons that I've stayed at. I still remember this hotel from when I was about to do my practicum in uni, which was like 20 years ago. It's still a nice enough hotel. Could use some updating on the interiors, but we're just staying for like 3 nights at this hotel, so it's fine. Now, we've also had breakfast at the hotel. This one is called Manila Bay Kitchen, which is at the ground floor of the hotel. And it's raining that day. Very, very humid outside. I got the cheese and bacon omelet, and I have to say that the omelet was quite dry. It was overcooked. A good omelet should still have a little bit of runniness inside it, but this one is obviously overcooked. Now, would I stay at this hotel again? Probably not, because it's kind of out of the way for a lot of the things that I needed to do while I was in Manila. Most of my days in Manila was used to run errands and process documents at Makati City Hall, which is a little bit of a distance from this hotel. We actually spent most of our days in Makati as well as the BGC area. Like on our second day, we had our medical at the Shinagawa Diagnostic Center in BGC. And that again was quite a bit of a travel to do because of the traffic from Manila. And we had to go through EDSA at both times, and that wasn't the most convenient route to take. So, yeah, I wouldn't be staying at this hotel again anytime in the near future. Now, we are on our way to celebrate my mom's 80th birthday at Gateway 2 in Cubao. Day two was really about going for our medical at Shinagawa Diagnostics, and then we were going to move to a different hotel. But on the way, we went to George and Oni's at BGC because they had a really good reviews of modern Filipino dishes. We weren't quite happy with the kare-kare at this restaurant because they added the bagoong in the kare-kare and not on the side. Now here we are checking into the Sheraton Manila Hotel in Newport City in Pasay, right across Terminal 3. And this is just like a little quick room tour to show you guys. We like this hotel much better than the Sheraton in Manila Bay. It's much more accessible. It does not have a bathtub, but that didn't really bother me. So this is what the room looks like. And you would be able to see that we are really right across. There you go. Look at that. You can see the Cebu Pacific Plains. And of course, it was raining in Manila when we were there. So I just had to take a time lapse because, like, why not? Look at this. Planes coming and going, the clouds changing, the rain coming. So we went to the restaurant for breakfast, and I have to say we weren't pleased. The buffet was very expensive for what it was. We went a la carte, and that took 40 minutes for a fruit platter and a tosilog. On the third day, I actually went to Bulacan to see my aunt who is unwell. And I'm glad that I made it to the MRT before rush hour on my return because I still was able to sit. And it has been a long time since I have been on the MRT. I'm glad to say that the air conditioning is actually quite good. And now it's time for us to fly somewhere else for the main event of my mom's birthday. Our family purchased a tour package for 3 days, 2 nights in Boracay, and we were booked at the Boracay Ocean Club, I think is what it's called. Yeah, and this is the room tour, and you will love the view that we have. It is a construction site. Yeah, that's the room that we have. The bathroom is actually quite nice, though. I didn't expect to have a tub in the bathroom. But yeah, and a bidet. Wow, I love bidets. So this is where we are.
So in case you guys haven't noticed, nasa Boracay ako. Makain ng taho. Buti na lang uso dito yung GCash. Kasi yung magtataho, walang barya. Well, ang aga naman kasi. Etos 1,000 bill yung sa akin, 50 pesos lang to. Yung barya ko, binilang ko, 40 pesos lang. So, kapos. Then, naghanap ako ng, magpabayad. Sabi niya, ma'am, baka may GCash kayo, pwede naman GCash. Buti sinabi mo, meron akong GCash. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, pero we're staying at the Boracay Ocean Club, Station 3. Noong una, parang ako, Station 3, ang layo nun sa lahat. Pero actually, okay nga na dito kami nagstay kasi hindi masyadong matao. Unlike sa Station 2 na sobrang daming tao. Okay naman yung amenities ng hotel. May pool sila dito na may kids wading pool kasi syempre kasama yung mga pamangkin ko. Pero meron din silang pool sa 6th floor na infinity pool. I was able to catch the sunrise there. So, okay naman siya. And then, this is actually our last day here. Pangatlong araw na namin. We arrived on Friday morning. Well, nauna kami ni Duncan kasi yung flight namin na-move ng mas maaga. Which is good kasi ang dami naming nagawa or na tick off sa mga to-do list namin. Pero the reason why we're here is because my mom celebrated her 80th birthday. And yeah, so it's a milestone. So lahat umuwi. My sister who's in Texas, my brothers were still here. And then Duncan and I came home as well. So that's what we've been doing so far, spending time with the family. And at the start of the video, you probably would have seen a few clips of stuff that we've done in Manila. I didn't really film too much in Manila because it was more of like administration days, doing stuff at Makati City Hall, going to the bank and stuff like that and getting our full medical checkup. We actually went to Shinagawa Diagnostics at BGC, which I highly recommend that you do if you ever come to the Philippines and you want to do an executive checkup. Oh, Jesus Christ. You do want to do an executive checkup and want to actually do it like in a little bit more luxurious environment and not really very clinical or hospital stuff, then that's a good place to go. Oh, there's a disgusting person next to me. Anyway, yeah, so that's what we've been up to so far, and then tomorrow we fly out to Taiwan, spending a few days in Taipei and in Taichung. Yeah, so that's about that. You'll be seeing a few other videos kind of related to this because I've been testing the Insta360 X4 and I've also been using my DJI Pocket 3 as well as my Action 3 while on this trip. So I'll be putting together some videos, particularly a review of the Pocket 3 and the Insta360 X4, showing you some clips. I will say that I was not impressed with the Insta360 X4 underwater, and I'll explain further in that video. Anyways, see you in a bit.